Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we will take a look at two very popular retirement accounts, the Roth IRA and the Traditional IRA. There are many other forms of retirement accounts like the SEP IRA, etc., but those are less common. The two most common IRAs are the Roth IRA and the Traditional IRA. So today we would take a basic look at it from a high-level perspective, and hopefully it could help you make a decision on which one to go for. Before we get started, I would like to mention that I am not a financial advisor, and the information on this video and my channel should not be taken as financial advice, and it's for informational purposes only. Before you make your final decision, make sure you talk to a tax professional or a licensed financial advisor. Having said that, let's get started. Like I said, there are two very popular types of retirement accounts are IRA, individual retirement accounts. The key difference between the Roth and the Traditional IRA is that in a Roth, the money goes in after you have paid the taxes. And in a Traditional IRA, the money goes in before you pay the taxes. Now, we all know we have to pay taxes at some point. So since the money in the Roth goes in after you've paid your taxes, you don't pay any taxes on your potential gains when you take money out. In the Traditional IRA, when you put money in, you haven't paid your taxes, so when you take out your money in retirement, that's when you pay the taxes. Those are the two main differences between them. When you take money out that you have contributed to your Roth IRA, you don't pay any penalty or taxes on it, because you've already paid taxes on it when you've put your money in your Roth, and there is no penalty when you take out the amount you have put in. For example, you put in $3,000 in your Roth IRA. A couple of years later, that $3,000 grew to $4,000. Now, the original $3,000 that you put in, you can take it out anytime. You don't have to wait until retirement for that. The growth of $1,000, that you cannot take out without penalty or taxes until you retire. Now, speaking of contribution, there is a limit to the amount you could put into these retirement accounts. This is December 2018, and for this year, the contribution limit is $5,500 for your IRAs. Next year, in 2019, that goes up to $6,000 per year. Now, if you have, as a lot of people do, both a Roth and a Traditional IRA, that amount would be split amongst these two accounts. So if you have, say, a Roth and a Traditional, and looking at this year, 2018, the limit is $5,500. So you could put in $2,500 in your Roth and $3,000 in your Traditional. Or you could say put in $1,500 in your Roth and $4,000 in your Traditional, or any other combination of that. Make sure your total contribution to your retirement accounts does not exceed this amount of $5,500 for the year of 2018. Like I said, in 2019, this amount goes up to $6,000. Which brings me to the question, what is the deadline for your contribution? Because this is December 2018, and this year is almost over. The good news is you could contribute until tax day for the previous year. For instance, you have until tax day of 2019 to make a contribution towards your 2018 year. And the same for next year, and the same for next year. Now, there are other forms of retirement accounts. I'm sure you've heard of the 401k HSA, 403b, etc. The reason we are not discussing this because these are employer sponsored retirement accounts, so, or health savings accounts. So either way, these have to be associated with your employer. Hence, not anyone can just go in to a brokerage account or a bank and open 401k or an HSA or something like that. With an IRA, almost anyone can open that. It is not in no way, shape, or form associated with their employer. Now, having said that, I would also include a link in the description to the IRS website that would have all these details that we spoke of and some more. This video is just a high-level explanation for beginners to get you started. But no matter what you hear in this channel or some other channel or YouTube or some other forum on the internet, the final say, the final word is what you read on the IRS website. So I highly recommend you check it out. I would leave that link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you like contents like this, don't forget to subscribe. And if there is a certain finance or retirement related topic that you would like me to discuss, make sure you leave that in the comments below and I'll try to make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.